Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need administrator access to change firewall behavior. First, open Firefox and keep it running so you can test changes immediately. Then open your operating system firewall settings, Windows Start Settings Privacy and Security Windows Security, or Mac OS System Preferences Security and Privacy. Once you have both windows visible, make sure you know which firewall is active, so you only modify the rule for Firefox and not other critical protections. Now you will change the rule that blocks Firefox. On Windows, go to Windows Defender Firewall Advanced Settings and find Inbound/Outbound Rules. Locate Firefox. EXE and set action to allow or disable the blocking rule. On Mac OS, add Firefox to firewall exceptions in Security and Privacy and enable incoming connections. Make sure to adjust the network profile, private versus public, so you don't open Firefox to untrusted networks. Once done, save and document the rule name for future reference. Finish by restarting Firefox and loading a few web pages to verify the change. If pages still fail, temporarily disable the firewall to isolate whether it is the source. If disabling fixes it, re-enable and double-check the specific Firefox rule. Also ensure antivirus or router-level filters are not interfering. If problems persist, revert settings and try creating a new allow rule for the full Firefox executable path. One key troubleshooting tip: always test on both private and public network profiles to catch scope mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.